Naka ngen def sa jambar njai slap back again with another video. Today we got the fourth WOLOF session. Today we're doing numbers and we're doing 1 to 100, but I'm going to be cutting them into either 3 or 4 parts. So throughout this next 2 weeks it's going to be just numbers. The reason why I'm doing that is because numbers in WOLOF is very mind-boggling. It will spin your head. So I'm going to cut them so people can really understand them and get to understand how WOLOF people put the numbers together. So we're going to get straight into it. First, we got 1, bena. Bena. 1, bena. Then we got 2, nyar. Nyar. 2, nyar. Then we got 3, nyeta. Nyeta. 3, nyeta. Then we got 4, nyenent. Nyenent. 4, nyenent. Then we got 5, jurom. Jurom. 5, jurom. Then you got 6, jurom bena. Jurom bena. 6, jurom bena. Then you got 7, jurom nyar. Jurom nyar. Then you got 8, jurom nyeta. Jurom nyeta. 8, jurom nyeta. Then you got 9, jurom nyenent. Jurom nyenent. So you see what I did then? In WOLOF, they don't say 6 or 7. They just have a word for just 6. They add the numbers together. So as you saw, 5 is jurom, and for 6 you got jurom bena. So what they're basically saying is 6 and 1. You get it? 6 and 1. Jurom bena. That's what they call 6. 6 and 1. Then you got 7, jurom nyar. 5 and 2 equals to 7. Then you got 8, jurom nyeta. 5 and 3 is 8. And then you got 9, jurom nyenent. 5 and 4 is 9. See, it's kind of complicated. This is why I have to break it down, because this is how they do it. Then you got, alright, boom. So this next number I'm about to say in WOLOF sounds like a certain word in the English language. So I'm sure we've all used this word, whether it's due to excitement, happiness, sadness, being surprised by someone, getting frightened, getting jump scared, getting annoyed by your friends. You might have even said it behind your parents' backs a couple of times. Maybe even in front of them, if you're all like that. But I'ma just need you to take it serious, you know what I mean? Because this number in the WOLOF language is used from 1 to 1 million. You're constantly going to be saying it. So what, every time you say it in normal conversation, you're just going to be like you're back in science in Miss Arbridge's class at the back with all the man them or the women them, you know what I mean? Just enjoying your time, not even listening to what she's saying in front of the class, you know what I mean? So let's just try to take it serious, man. At least for this one time. It's not what you think, but it sounds like what you think. You get me? So well, yeah, let's just all act like adults here and do the right thing. Till the next vid. 10, fuk. Fuk. 10, fuk. Then you come into the teens. Then you got 11, fuka ak bena. Then you got 12, fuka ak nyar. Fuka ak nyar. Then you got 13, fuka ak nyeta. Fuka ak nyeta. That's 13, fuka ak nyeta. Then you got 14, fuka ak nyenent. Fuka ak nyenent. That's 14, fuka ak nyenent. Then you got 15, fuka ak jurom. Fuka ak jurom. 15, fuka ak jurom. Then you got 16, fuka ak jurom bena. Fuka ak jurom bena. That's 16, fuka ak jurom bena. Then you got 17, fuka ak jurom nyar. Fuka ak jurom nyar. That's 17, fuka ak jurom nyar. Then you got 18, fuka ak jurom nyeta. Fuka ak jurom nyeta. Fuka ak jurom nyeta. That's 18, fuka ak jurom nyeta. Then you got 19, fuka ak jurom nyenent. Fuka ak jurom nyenent. So you see what I'm saying there? All they're doing is just saying the numbers individually and then putting the and when it's a 10 plus something else. So as I said that from the start, 11, fuka ak bena. So that's 10 and 1, fuka ak bena. Then you got 12, fuka ak nyar. That's 10 and 2. See, so it's all basically additions. They just add the numbers together, they add and say each one individually. Then you got 13, fukka ak nyeta. Sorry, even I'm getting confused. Fukka ak nyeta, that's 13. So 10 and 3. Then you got 14. Fukka ak nyenent. So that's 10 and 4. And then where it starts to get complicated is when you get to 16, because it's fukka ak jurom bena. So fukka 10 ak, and then you got jurom and 5 plus also the 1 at the end. So this is why it gets complicated. So you can imagine when it gets to 61 and 71 and 81, there's a lot of things you got to say. But the weird thing is, I only thought about this the other day, because in Gambia, when we say numbers, we just basically just say in English. So for example, if you go to a shopkeeper, I'll give you a little story actually. Years ago, my auntie sent me to the shopkeeper. She wanted me to find out the amount of something. So then I go to the shopkeeper and he's saying, I say, how much is such and such? And then he goes, sissy. To me, I'm like, he's saying 6, but that doesn't actually make sense, because what I was asking for seems way more expensive than $6, which is, Dallas is the currency in Gambia. So I go back to my auntie, and then I'm like, oh auntie, he said sissy. So I'm guessing he said 6. And then she was like, no, that's just how he says 60. So he was trying to say 60, but instead of saying 60, mom was saying sissy, where he's a fuller man in it. So obviously his pronunciation is a bit funny. So that's a little funny story for you. But yeah, so this is why I got to space it out, because in Wolof they don't just say the number straight away, they say each number individually and add everything together. So we've got the last one, which is 20, and 20 is fukka nyar. I got that wrong. Nyar fukka. So it's 2 basically times 10. So fukka nyar fukka. Sorry. See, even I'm getting this wrong, man. We're gonna leave this in. We're not gonna, you know what I mean? This is literally blagging my head, because I've never used Wolof numbers before. So when I really sat down and actually thought about it, I was like, wow, this is mad. I started laughing to myself with my mum and thing. But yeah, so 20 is fukka, is nyar fukka. See, I keep getting it wrong. Nyar fukka. 20, nyar fukka. So next week we're gonna do the 20s, continue from 20s, 30s, 40s and 50s. So if you want to get ahead of yourself by using this video, if you want, you can try do the 30s and try do the 40s, and then put them in the comments of the next video, see if you got them right, if you want to challenge yourself a bit. But yeah, this was your boy Njayes. It's our boy Njayes la Bebenenyon.